Wilton aluminum performance pans are a classic addition to your kitchen for delicious cake baking and so much more. Aluminum is an optimal material for baking. It heats quickly and evenly and cools down fast. But the aluminum used for our Wilton performance pans takes it a step further because they're made with anodized aluminum, which is aluminum made with a safe finishing process that helps your pans resist rust, which means you get great baking results for years to come. Our cake pans are also designed with straight sides, so they're ideal for decorating. And the aluminum construction means your cakes bake evenly, without any hot spots. From baking sheets to extra deep cake pans, Wilton performance pans are the perfect fit for any baker.
Hi, I'm Renee from Anolon, and this is Anolon Advanced Bakeware. Baking is a science, but using Anolon Advanced Bakeware is a no-brainer. The bakeware is made of heavy-duty aluminum construction which resists warping and will ensure that your bakeware will last through countless batches of cookies. The superior nonstick coating means not having to grease your pan while still getting the same excellent food release. The bakeware features unique silicone grips that are oven-safe to 450 degrees, which offers superior handling, especially when using those awkward oven mitts. Anolon Advanced Bakeware is available in gray and bronze and makes a great addition to any Anolon cookware collection, from cookies to cakes to muffins. There's nothing like the smell of fresh baked goods right out of the oven. Create delicious desserts for family and friends to enjoy by adding Anolon Advanced Bakeware to your kitchen. Enjoy!
When you're baking and cooking more at home, you need pans and baking sheets that will hold up day after day, like our Wilton Perfect Results Premium Nonstick Bakeware. The sturdy, cold-rolled steel and durable premium nonstick coating promote even baking. The oversized handles make them easy to grab and move around the kitchen, even while wearing oven mitts. The nonstick coating also keeps food from sticking, so your baked goods slide right off. Cakes, muffins, and cookies stay intact and not on the pan. And the best part is, all of our Perfect Results pans are dishwasher safe, so they're easy to clean. Durable, dependable, and easy to clean, our Wilton Perfect Results Premium Nonstick Bakeware line is your go-to for any recipe, any day, from dinner to dessert.